guys, and welcome to the channel. In today's video we're gonna look at how to tune your BMW F or G series using an MHD tuner and the wireless adapter made by them right here. The reason I went with the wireless adapter is because I've heard some horror stories about the K+D Can cables crapping out in the middle of the tune and breaking people's ECUs, and that's the last thing I want to happen to my BMW, and I'm pretty sure you don't want that to happen to yours. So make an investment and get yourself one of these wireless adapters. They're great, they're super fast, and you can use them for other things like reading codes and use them with other softwares to code out little features here and there like Beamer code. I'm not sponsored by this company by any means, I just truly like it. I didn't have any problems with it, and it's incredibly fast. You will see that in the tuning section. So the things you're gonna need is the wireless adapter and any Android device. Like I have here this LG tablet. It's probably 10 years old, but it worked just fine, no issues whatsoever. So let's get to it. Alright, so you want to grab your wireless adapter and pop that into your OBD2 port. Let's see if I can manage that one-handed. Alright, that went faster than I thought. Next, you want to open up your Android tablet. Go to settings, Wi-Fi, find, boom, there we go, connecting. Find the MHD adapter, and mine's already connected, but you're gonna need to type in the password at the back of the adapter and connect to it. So I'm connected, and I can go into the MHD Flasher software app, whatever you want to call it. Alright, and then next thing, you want to make sure all your mobile devices are set into airplane mode so that it doesn't cause any interference or anything like that. And you also want to make sure that everything in your car is off. You want to make sure it's keyed up, but all the lights, AC, radio, everything is off. And then you're gonna go into Flash MHD map. Okay, and as you can see at the top, it says N55 PWG maps. Mine's already, when I bought a license for MHD, I bought it for pneumatic wastegate vehicle, which I verified physically under the hood. Comment me any questions if you need any help with verifying where that is. But essentially there's two types of N55 engines. One's with EWG for electronic wastegate, and one's for pneumatic wastegate, which is sort of mechanical, you can call it. Alright, and next thing, you want to select your transmission, which in my case is just auto 8-speed, and then you'll have 4 different options or on which stage you want to tune your car. In my case, it's stage 1 for basically fully stock. For stage 2, you want an upgraded downpipes, which is catless downpipes. Stage 2 plus, you want downpipes and upgraded front mount intercooler. And stage 2 hybrid is basically turbo upgrade, rocket style. Anyhow, so we're gonna do stage 1 for stock car, running 91 octane. Hit that. Alright, So next thing, before you code it, you want to look at some options. Click on options, and basically you can select whatever you want on here. I'm gonna show you what I have selected to my liking. So I've removed the top speed limiter. For exhaust, I turned the burble mode on, and then I set that to 0.8 seconds for comfort mode and 1.5 seconds for sport mode. And I like that the way it is, because in comfort mode it basically you can't even hear it. It pops once in a while, but other than that, kind of a neighbor friendly setting right there. And then sport mode, 1.5 seconds, gives me plenty of pops, low and high revs, without being too obnoxious. It's not too crazy and not too aggressive, right? And for min RPM, I have it 800. I like when it pops a little in low RPM, and max RPM is 5,000 is when I kind of floor it, and it's up there in the high RPM. It gives you nice burbles and pops and whatnot. I like it. And everything else I didn't even change besides the startup roar. It is actually enabled by default, so I'm gonna leave it at that. We'll go back, and now we'll go to map right. It says 2 minutes, but I guarantee you it will take faster than that. Like I said, this thing, oh, it's already flashing, look. A battery charger is recommended. If you're using this adapter, and that's why I highly recommend it, it takes literally no time. You can see it's already at almost 50%. So I don't think battery charger is necessary. Now, if you're using a cable, that can take 20 or even more, 30 minutes, then you might want to use a charger, because you definitely don't want your battery to die in the middle of the coding. But as you can see here, coding's complete. Your ECU will reboot. It will automatically clear all the codes. It says wait 30 seconds, and we should be good to go. Alright, let's take this thing for a spin, see what it can do with the tune, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, baby. One more. Alright, that's good enough. Hey guys, I think it's time to call it quits on the video, as I'm pretty sure there's a local manhunt on me right now from all the burbles, pulls, and whatever we just did with the MHD tune. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, you find it informal. If you have any questions about it, drop them in the comment section. I'll reply to all. And please subscribe to the channel. This is a brand new channel. We're just getting started. Lots more BMW content coming up. You won't regret it. Peace out. Thank you.